Efficient machining, long-term accuracy and very high quality assembly. This is an all-in-one 4-axis CNC Plasmacenter, the Katana Plasmacenter from 88. Welcome, my name is Attila, and today we take a look what makes this machine unique in its class. The Katana Plasmacenter is capable of cutting, engraving, hole center marking, sheet metal as well as round, rectangular and square tubes. The heavy-duty welded steel construction table is integrated with a large water tray, which reduces smoke and dust by 9% during thermal cutting process. The water tray has a 700 liters fully enclosed and automatic pneumatic water tank. The machine is also equipped with a 4 horsepower air compressor. Between the plasma power source and the air compressor is an OMI microprocessor controlled air dryer unit. Both the air dryer and the air compressor is assembled with automatic drain system. The plasma power source is a PowerMax 85 from the world leading manufacturer in plasma cutting industry from Hypertherm. The plasma is equipped with an RS485 serial communication interface port for total automated plasma cutting. Amperage and air pressure is controlled throughout the part program from the CNC. The power source offers an incredible of 20mm piercing and a maximum of 38mm cutting capacity. The CNC controller is the key feature of this machine. It's designed to provide efficient and easy to use interface. With the integrated CAD/CAM system, the operator can produce even complex parts within minutes from the design stage to the finished part. Hand-drawn contours can be digitized with the extremely precise onboard camera. There are many other special features on this machine, but one of the most important is the arc voltage high control system. It is the newest 4th generation fully digital torch height controller, which ensures a highly accurate distance between the workpiece and the torch for the superior cut quality. In the temperature-controlled electrical cabinet, there are 5 independent digital drives for precise machine movement and long-term reliable operation. The Katana Plasmacenter incorporates all of the necessary features to make this an easy-to-use and accurate CNC plasma cutter. In combination with its beautiful design, heavy-duty table, and superior accessories, it is a great choice for multi-purpose plasma cutting operations.